Day 9. They don't stop fighting.
I'll stay with 4 assumptions for 800, Alex. You ever see any scar tanagers around here?
They don't stray that far from the bar.
Well, playing. Yorkiepoos, K and Lee.
So, your professor wasn't exactly full of praise this afternoon.
9 weeks old.
Exactly.
Now, there's something you should know about Robert Crawford.
Can't tell from this video, but normally K is the bully.
And all the publishers rejected it, which was the right
Lee is tired of it.
And instead of writing another one, he took a job teaching others how to write.
I didn't know all that.
Just keep in mind that bitterly disappointed teachers can be either very effective or very dangerous.
This is all day long. K got Lee in a headlock. Uh-oh. Here we go. Day 9. Kay just got finished eating. Now she's cleaning herself from coming outside, probably wet. Lee is enjoying her beef flavored food, which she loves. He loves. It's early in the morning, forgive me. He loves his beef flavor though. He doesn't really care for the turkey flavor. Neither does Kay. The chicken flavor they kind of like, but they love beef flavor. They come to eat for the beef. Look at this. The beef flavored farmer's dog. They both got to look up at the same time. Now they both go back to eating. Fresh from going to the bathroom outside. Now they get their eat and their drink on.